There's a fridge. Oh, refrigerator. Started off with a big refrigerator. Ah, it's not that big. Still got the cord. Double check, make sure it ain't got no, yeah, it's got some food in it. Let's see here. Get the Chinese leftovers. They could have just, you know, thrown this stuff out first, huh? Oh well. Ooh, that looks, is that egg drop soup? Alright. Get the cheese and the lemonade. Okay. And then the pudding and the pickles. The dilly bites, y'all. The dilly bites. Alright. This. Just throw these in the back of the truck. Alright. Double check this freezer. Freezer's good, fridge is good. Alright, let's back up on it, load her up. Yeah, this one ain't no crazy. Ain't no crazy. Ain't too crazy. I've definitely dealt with tougher ones. Alright, guys, it's that time. Let's fill it up. Yeah, let's see. This is the funky dumpster. And sometimes I find funky stuff in. Ooh, look at that. That's not too funky. All these little boxes right here. I bet you those are brass. Yeah, all these brand new plumbing pieces. Like the bathtub plates and stuff. Alright, let's get these empty them out. Try to bring his little trash home. I've been bringing home lots of trash in boxes lately, and try to just keep the trash where it is, you know? Although that's a little bit better than trash, but definitely better than trash. We've got our brass pieces here, and our plastic, and our paper, and our paper. Yeah, that's, I guarantee you that's chrome plated brass. Okay, stuff there. Oh man, that's awesome stuff. We'll set that over here. Out here, got some little snippets. 4 toilet seats. Oh, that box has some stuff. Let's grab it. Let's slid down here. Bunch of AC capacitors. This little panel here. Toilet seats. Toilet seats. Oh, there's a motor. Capacitors. There. This is the stuff. These bags. They must unclog a lot of pipes. I found a lot of these. A lot of the hairiness. Down in the hairiness. There's some wires. More wires. I guess these guys do it all, like plumbing, HVAC. Irrigation. Oh, there's more. Okay, we got more. Get some brass right here. Some brass. We'll consolidate. We'll consolidate, Bob. Consolidate. That's another pan. Another pan. And they do mulch. They got more AC stuff. There's the brass pieces. AC stuff. A little juicy down here. But there's a fart fan. Drop that little piece. Pass it there. The rear view mirror. Man, they toss a lot of things out. That looks good, looks good. Got some more pieces down here. Drains and such. Bathtubs. Bathtubing it up. Okay. All right, did some damage. Look at that. All right. Hotter. Electric signal. Looks like there's something in that box. Oh, there's some valves down there. All right. Let's check it out. All right. A couple of little valves here. What are these things? What are these things? Little switches, I guess. That's what it says on the thing. Throw them in our bag, our shopping bag. Do you think our shopping bag can handle it? I don't know. We're about to find out. They're not too heavy. Not really any other box to choose from. Ooh, yeah. That's good. That's good stuff. Yeah, those are definitely the old ones. Sorry, man. I'll take the old one. Come on, Jason's deli bag. I need you to be strong. Oh, yeah. Jason's deli bag full of scrap. Hey, scrap. Check it out. My sink's still here. Pieces of aluminum. It's got some wire in it, too. That's all right. That is all right. Grab these guys here. Is there a box? I see a box? I don't see a box. I don't see a box. You gotta get a box. Put this box together here. Here we go. Okay, dusty box. Dusty box. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. It's got the wire in it, man. All right. Let's creep on up here. There's the patch panel. A little bit of cow wire attached to it. No rack though. Just the panel. See little snippets there. Empty cow wire boxes. Okay. Right, got some other boxes of scrap here. Right there. Do a quick pilfer through here real quick. Just to make sure. These little pieces. Yeah. A whole lot. Yeah, kick that back there. Cleaner than you found it, guys. Cleaner than you found it. These little snippets here. All right. Some more. All kinds of little stuff just right here. Right here. There's a piece of scrap. Okay. I think that's good for now. We shall be back. All right. There's a bed back there. Medical stuff in here. What you bet? What you bet this was left for us? Amongst the trash. Let's grab it. Boy, these will pinch you too, man. These medical beds are crazy. They're crazy. Oh, see some wire. And then boxes. Electronic boxes, definitely worth checking out. Let's see. Let's see. Let us see here. A little bit of cat and some junk. A little piece of metal right there. No monitor in the box. Oh, no record in the box. Check it all out. Sometimes when you're lucky, but I don't think today is going to be our day in this guy. What's that? Audio stuff. Oh, more audio cable. There's wires in there. Okay. All right, audio wires. All right. Look at that. There goes some step rails. Fish him out. Looks kind of grody in here. Let's be a little careful, huh? Be a little careful. What do we got? What do we got? What's it go to? I don't know. I don't know. But we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. Alright. Woo! Lots of food. Lots of food in here. There's a hose. I think that's a hose. Is that a hose? Some sort of hose, I think. I don't know, maybe like a power cable? It looks like it's got some sort of plug on the end of it. Let's check it out. Check it out. Ooh, the chlorine is potent. Chlorine is potent in here. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, a bunch of empty blue cases. Olympus. Isn't that like measuring tools? Ooh, it looks like there's wire in the box down there. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I've come across these blue boxes in here before. They're always empty. These cases. What wire is that? What is that? Is that just an extension cord or something? Keep coming. There it is. What's going on down here? Oh, there's a whole mess of it. That's why. Taking forever. I think that's cat wire. Yep, that's cat wire. Big old piece of cat wire. Definitely grab that. Golly, look at all those cases. Some macro bins in here. Look at that. Barrier tape. Barrier tape. You know, get a. There's a little bit of some stuff. Anything like really good here. Set it out there. Backhoe bins. A couple more of those little guys. Those little ones are nice for like in the drawers on your golly, look at all these drawers in your workbench. That's crazy. They're all empty. Medical stuff. Wheelchair. Piece of a crapper. See, look like there's a piece of something back up in there. Let's see. All the boxes for the res med stuff. There's some wheelchair parts. Go with our wheelchair. The other one. Ooh, there's the regulators here. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. There's another one. Picking out some scraps. Picking out some scraps. Picking out some scraps. Okay. Medical stuff coming through. Where you going, boy? Whoa! Check out the Christmas lights, y'all. I'll definitely take those. Oh. Definitely take those. Cool, we gotta squeeze up in here. It's a little tight. Garbage man put the dumpster a little close to the wall, a little far back there. Oh, there's a snowman in there too. Snowman. I always like to try them out. I have a lot of Christmas lights that I picked up in the trash. Always trying them out. What's this? Oh, there's some more here. Oh, that's a whole mess of Christmas lights. A whole mess of them. These little firework things. All right, trying to squeeze out through this guy. Little squeezy poo. Squeezy poo. Oh, that's a pile. That's a pile. It's a Dirt Devil Power Max. Dirt Devil Power Max. Some wood. Yucky. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take it. It's here in the dumpster. Y'all see anything? I don't see nothing. Okay, so I was kind of creeping through and I seen this and I gotta grab this. It's a gong. It's a gong, y'all. Ozark Trail. Oh, that's an air mattress. No. I'm gonna bring this home and scare my old lady. Well, alrighty, scavengers! I think that's a real Gong. That's going to conclude this dumpster diving route. It was a little bit lean out there tonight, but you know, I mean, we've been having such success these past few outings that, you know, sometimes you just kind of, you know, I mean, we still got some weight back here. You know, had we found a whole bunch more stuff, I would have gone ahead and stood the fridge up, but you know, the fact that, you know, didn't have to stand the fridge up, you know, that's less wind resistance or whatever, and, you know, just keep it laying down. But we still managed to pick up a few things. Lots of boxes with wire scraps. We got a ton of Christmas lights, medical stuff for donate, refrigerator scrap. That bed, that's probably just scrap. It's just pieces of a bed. But and some rails over there. I'll take a closer look, see what kind of car, if I can figure out what they fit to. Probably get a couple of bucks for those, especially if they're OEM. Especially. But alrighty, scavengers, thank y'all so much for tagging along. As always, it was a total pleasure. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. You guys know, y'all know. Thank y'all so much, everybody that bought some merch. If y'all are interested, down below, my little Mike's merch shop, formerly Teespring, I believe it's just Spring now. Go check out the designs, let me know what you think. But alrighty, scavengers.